Hey guys, it's Keith Yeager. Welcome to my YouTube channel. A couple weeks ago I had a really popular video on TikTok where I gave my mom a present, and I had a box that looked like this. We took the lid off, it unfolded to reveal another box, and unfolded again to reveal another box. So everybody's asking, how did you make that? Where did you buy that? So I did actually make it. I saw a video and just kind of figured it out. What I'm going to do for you guys today is I'm going to show you how to make this with 3 boxes. So I bought the boxes at Hobby Lobby. They were $10. It's a box, inside of a box, inside of a box, okay? So things you're gonna need to make this happen in boxes: cutting board, an X-Acto knife, tape or glue, and then whatever stuff you wanna put inside the box. So we'll start by dissecting the boxes. You're gonna take your X-Acto knife in the corner of the boxes and slice all 4 corners of all 3 boxes. Be careful when doing this. If you need help, if you're not supposed to be playing with knives, don't play with knives. But make sure you get an adult's help and supervision to do so. But this is a fun idea for a present for mom or somebody else. So sometimes it takes several passes of the X-Acto knife to get all the way through. And once you're close, you can actually turn it on its side and kind of go down the box as well this way. And that just kind of helps so you're not cutting anything else. So I got 1. So it kind of looks like that, okay? I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna go ahead and slice the other ones and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right guys, the first one's cut. So after you get it cut, you're gonna gently pull down on them until they hit the sides like this, just to kind of fold them out. So this is what the inside of the first box looks like. Here you can take your X-Acto knife, kind of clean up the edges and those sorts of things. When you put it back together, you're gonna hold it together with the lid, like so, okay? Let's do the next one. Okay guys, 2 down, press them all into place. That one's done. So we'll put this off to the side and we'll finish the last one and we'll start putting it together. Okay, box number 3 is done. So here's where the fun part comes in. You get to pick what you want to put in your box. The important thing is to know that it's got to fit in between the layers of the box. So when I made this for my mom, we used hot glue just to hold everything in place. For the tutorial, I'm just going to use a little bit of tape. You'll get the same idea, but I would recommend using hot glue or super glue if you're giving this to somebody. Just a little dab will do you in the center. You take the next box and center it in there. Okay, so as you close this up, you can see how much room you have in between there. You need to make sure the candy bars stay below the lid. Easy enough that way. You close this one up at the very end. So as we open this one, we'll need another piece of tape. Stick it in the center, put our center box, just like so. And as you can see, they all open up just fine. The weight of the candy bars or whatever you have in there will help hold the boxes open. That way they kind of fall apart as the person that receives the gifts open it. But whenever you get everything in place, whatever you have in the center for the big gift, you just kind of put everything back together. It takes a little bit of effort the first time you do it, but after that, it gets a lot easier. Close it all up. And you got your gift. Wrap it up, put a bow on it. It's all set, ready to go. Hope that helped, guys, and I hope you make somebody's birthday or Christmas very special.